Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to improve gaming performance on iPhone and iPad. Friends, if you want to improve gaming performance, then keep watching this video until the end. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. The first thing that we have to do, go to settings. Under setting, find and tap on accessibility. Now tap on touch and tap 3D and haptic touch. Now turn off 3D touch. The second thing that we have to do, launch settings and tap accessibility. Under accessibility, tap on display and text size, and under display and text size, turn on reduce transparency. The third thing that we have to do, go to settings and tap general. Now tap background app refresh and tap again background app refresh and turn off. The fourth thing that we have to do, go to settings, find and tap on privacy. Under privacy, tap on location services and turn off location services by tapping again turn off. The fifth thing change that we have to, go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on privacy, scroll down and tap analytics and improvements. Here we have to turn off share iPhone analytics. Number 6. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned off. To check that, go to settings, tap on Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is not turned on. Number 7. Go to settings, tap on accessibility and tap motion. Now turn on reduce motion. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.